Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your currency on Patreon's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your currency on Patreon's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in patreon.com and make a search. Log into your Patreon account using your login credentials and the homepage of Patreon's account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed options, click on Settings option. You will end up on the settings page of your Patreon's account. Tap on Accounts. Scroll all the way down to Currency Preference section and tap on Currency. From the drop down, choose your preferred currency and tap on it. This is how you can change your currency on Patreon's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.